Guys, welcome to Make Money with Video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube using a software called Vidnami. Now if you look at some of my previous videos, you will see I have also done other videos with it. I'm going to show you some proof as well in today's video, so bear with me. I'm going to put you on the big screen so you can't see my face. You can see the screen better. We'll just get rid of this, and there we go. So this is my channel. I make videos showing you how to make money with video. I run a small business making videos and selling them to other local businesses. So I use video apps. I sell on Fiverr, Upwork. I show videos how to make money on TikTok. You name it, guys, I'm showing you. So if you want to check the channel out, please feel free to. And let's get into it. Now, I'm going to show you some channels in the health niche, yeah, and Natural Cures is one of them, and they're making between 498 to 8,000 a month. If you look at the videos, they've just got images or short, like little videos with text on the screen, yeah. And these are quite a popular kind of videos, and they stock photos and stock videos, and anyone can do them. And another channel, Natural Health, is making between $30 and $476. Yeah, it's not as much, but look, the same sort of videos where you just got text on the screen. Yeah, another one. Nice one. Body Hub, another fitness one, 421 to 6,000.7 a month. And look at these, just a bit of an image in the background moving with just a bit of text on. Another one, guys, What is Health? Now this one, guys, they've not got enough subscribers at the moment, so they're not making money monetized. Now it says they are, but they're not. The way they're making money, and if you look, their videos are the same kind of videos. They're putting products in the description as affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is a total different way of making money, but if you check some of the videos out, I show you on the channel. I'm just showing that these are using those videos. So if we go back to my channel, scroll down, you will, oh no, 1 minute, go to home, yeah, go all the way down, you will see one of my channels here. So if we click on it, this is my son's movie channel, yeah. Click on Social Blade, it might show us. Just quickly refresh it. Sometimes it doesn't work. Click on it now, it should work. Yeah, here we are. It's showing between 272 and 4.4 thousand a month. Yeah. If we keep scrolling down, you can see these sort of videos I am using. And I don't use them all the time. I use them for like my movie news and that, yeah? And this video has made me a lot of money, which I show proof in my other videos. Now, if you want to make videos like this, then the product we use is a product called Vidnami. Now, if I just go to here, in fact, let me just open up a new video creation. It used to be called Content Samurai. And all you do is click on create video, and you can make these sorts of videos, different formats, different styles, yeah. You can present videos, instant ads, sales videos, content. And it's so easy, guys. So if you're making one for YouTube, you come over here, click on whichever kind of template you want to use. Pick for this one. All you do is you paste your script in here, guys. Yeah, paste your script, and then it creates your scenes for you, guys. Now I'm not going to show you in depth, because if you come over to my back to my channel, yeah, if you come over to my channel, Make Money with Video, I go through it in these kind of videos, guys. So please check these out. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And thanks very much for watching, guys. Till next time, goodbye.